Dynamic Project Management presents 5D Automated Contract Management of Variations. Automated 5D is a fully integrated platform that centralizes all the project's information, linking cost and finance to BIM design and planning, made one central management model a reality. Our system of contract and engineering management not only integrates BIM with planning and contracts, but has the proper data quality controls to make sure that just-in-time information is accurately passed to the owner, consultants, contractors or suppliers. Construction contracts require various tasks and procedures, from design quantity generation to different contracts and estimation methods, to change management for variations of costs and quantities all along the construction cycle. In addition, tracking of executed quantities and payments is essential for project monitoring. In this demo, we will concentrate only on the quantities changes and variation management in the automated 5D platform. Changes and their effect on contracts is a very sensitive issue. That is why proper procedures have to be followed to get the desired outcomes. Changes always start from design and they can be differentiated by their design file version. So, we will take a previously designed BIM file in our 5D contract and make the necessary changes next. We will take a previously designed BIM file, then click on a window called Sliding 2.1. We can choose all the windows of this type in the design, and simply change all these windows to a type called Trim 4.5 that has a different height and width. We will call these New Window. Simply, we will consider this only change as new version of the design. Next, we perform the BIM data quality control procedures as described in Contract Quantities Preparation YouTube that you can view separately. They include duplicates checking and BOQ list checking to ensure that no double input is done. Composites missing from sub-element BOQ are also checked. Also missing input of element BOQ or their international division codes is automatically checked, and finally any elements that are not included in 4D planning are listed. After ensuring that 100% of our changed designed elements have been properly identified by their BOQ and divisions codes and allocated to their proper planning task, we move to the upload procedure from BIM to the 5D platform. Here, and because our project included sub-elements as the design did not follow BIM type standards, we proceed to export these sub-elements to 5D first. After indicating that this is a comparative change management BIM version for a previously prepared contract, we pick the concerned company called ABC for this contract, then we indicate the name of the project which was called owner from before. A list of contracts for this project appear, and we choose the contract called subcontracting. Please note that we can do the same procedure to track changes in another contract if the same design affects multi-contracts. The export is then done in a few seconds to a 1-minute time frame depending on file size. After linking all composite subtypes for the sub-elements, we upload all the data of BIM types and any BIM subtypes in few clicks to the ABC International Company. Then we choose the project called owner that includes this design, and all the data flows in one stream to our project. And now we are ready for the next step. In streamlining to contracts, missing information and data quality control automation kicks in as well. This double gate quality control eliminates the possibility of any data errors. All changes are tracked with their contract costs, while new items are sent for estimation in the contract workflow. So, we will see how variations from different versions during design, or during construction phases is tracked in terms of cost and relevant contracts. Here, you can see that with few clicks the replacement of windows that was changed is automatically allocated to its relevant contract and supplier. This very accurate list of variations is automatically generated as per the design file. You can directly see that the new 4.5 windows were added, the old windows were deleted or replaced. You can filter all the new items to double-check if those additions are in BIM. Also deleted or replaced items can be tracked from the old version. The cost of the deleted items is automatically generated by the system as per the contract made previously. Changing windows and their sizes also changes the walls around them, so the system tracks up to the slightest millimeter the plastering, paint or CMU changes in the wall size. Such changes are generally impossible to track to such a detail without automated 5D. All the variations quantities and their cost is thus 100% aligned with the design up to the smallest detail, and the construction manager can know directly where every single dollar goes and why. The what you see what you get concept is extended to how much you pay, why and for what. Finally, in addition to accuracy and fast track of changes, remote communication is synchronous on the web, or through easy exports. Accurate information regarding the changes in their quantities and costs. In addition, every single change is identified by its unique IDs from the BIM design file. DPM team was capable of generating accurate changes between 2 design versions for 15 large structural files in just 2 man-days using automation. If one wants to do this using regular BIM technology only, the comparison of more than 300 spreadsheets is required, and the engineering team needs at least 9 man-days to do this. In traditional 2D drafting, these types of comparisons require more than 60 man-days, and a large team of QS is needed in our estimate. The advantages of 5D automation in change management can be tremendous when applied properly. First, the approach is comprehensive, as all the changes during the design phase, then in the construction phase, are tracked in their proper place and workflow. Second, it is incredibly accurate, as any change in the design is tracked up to the millimeter, and a 100% accuracy is thus achieved. Third, it is more than 30 times faster than traditional and 4 to 5 times faster than regular BIM. This fast response to changes and their speedy tracking is very important for waste reduction, conflict resolution and client early-on notifications and satisfaction. Fourth, the centralization of all contract information, when coupled with the mobile accessibility of the technology, makes concurrent collaboration possible. In conclusion, senior experts state that managing construction is about managing changes, so automated 5D change management is a very important tool that facilitates this. Thank you, and you can contact us at info@dynapm.com.